So it's a sunny morning and there's no wind, and this is the improved jig for where are we, for closing those jaws on this harvester bar. So as you see, two big lumps of angle iron bolted down to a bit of 5/8 steel, and they're the right distance apart. And important features here are we have an inspection hole and a bolt that holds things in place. So that slides in there and that lines up and that goes in there, and I can see the end of the slot. Let me just turn this round, you see, so I can see when that will be at about the right distance. So we're going to give this a go. It does work a lot better than previous attempt with that railway shoe. So let's reposition the camera and give it a go. So there we go. And I have this drill bit as a gauge. So let's just get things in the right place. There we go. Yep. Still wants a bit more. I think this one's being particularly difficult. I might have to put the extra jack on. And that's just, so we want to go just a bit more than that. Right, that won't fit in there now, so I'm going to leave that to settle for a minute or two. But can you see how that just sort of works? There you go. You make one and it sort of works, and then you think about it for a while and you come up with another idea, and you can see what's going on, and it seems to hold it rigidly, and so far nothing's fallen apart. That'll do. What did I do? 4 holes, cut 2 bits of angle iron, drilled 4 holes to bolt the angle iron down, another 2 holes for the cross bolt to lock it in place, and then a big hole with that big Denby drill so we can see what's going on. Comments and discussion? Just, if this is just an update. Catch up with you soon. Cheers for now.